In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drag and drop Rush ID template in Canva. This technique is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their design process and add a layer of professionalism and convenience to their projects. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to open Canva and jump right into your design. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on Elements. Elements is a treasure trove of design tools within Canva, offering a vast array of shapes, lines, and other graphics that you can easily incorporate into your work. Next, use the search bar to find frames. Once you type in frame, a variety of options will appear, but for the purpose of our drag and drop template, you will want to select the square frame. This frame will serve as the main foundation for your ID template. Simply drag and drop this frame onto your design canvas, positioning it to suit your needs. Now with the frame firmly in place, it's time to get creative with some customization. Click on the frame you've just added and then look for the border style option. Customizing the border is a great way to add a unique touch to your template, giving it that special flair. After accessing the border style, select the horizontal border option. This choice is pivotal because it dictates how your frame's border will appear visually. Adjusting this helps balance aesthetics with functional appeal. Once that horizontal border is selected, the next thing to do is type 0.5 and hit enter. What you're doing here is setting the border width to 0.5. This subtle yet impactful adjustment ensures that your design elements remain elegantly understated and don't distract from the central content of your template. After fine-tuning the border, it's time to think about efficiency. Instead of repeatedly adding and modifying new frames, a helpful tip is to simply duplicate the one you've customized. You will save time and ensure consistency across your template. To make a duplicate, click on the duplicate icon. This handy feature is located right in the top options when you have your frame selected. With duplication handled, you can have multiple identical frames ready to seamlessly integrate into different sections of your layout. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a neat drag and drop Rush ID template in Canva. By utilizing the platform's intuitive features like elements, frames, and duplication, you can produce a professional level design with ease. This method not only enhances your design skill set, but also improves workflow efficiency, making future projects quicker and smoother to execute. Thank you for watching and following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring for your next design venture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward and creative tutorials. See you next time.